Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. I was recently asked for a full eyebrow tutorial, so here it is. So first I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. brow pencil. This I'm just using as a spoolie, as a brush, and then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Wow Brow, and after I use the spoolie brush, I'm just going to go in and kind of fill in my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is in the darkest color that they have of the e.l.f. Wow Brow because my eyebrows are very dark. My hair is very dark. If you make a mistake, so there's like little fibers in here, if you make a mistake, you can just wipe it away, but I do primarily fill in my eyebrows with the point of this. So I brush them, but then I take the point of it and I just kind of go in and fill in my eyebrows. This is enough if you're doing like a day look. If you're going to take it to nighttime, then I go in with an angle brush and some eyeshadow. I use black, but this is totally up to you. In the summertime, I use a mix of brown and black, the two colors that were right next to each other. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the black. And I put a little bit on the brush and I just start dragging it out and outline my eyebrows. Now, I did get my powder brows done about 4 years ago. I think it was 2020, 2021 maybe. And they're basically faded. So powder brows is like a surface level tattoo and it fades and you're supposed to keep up with it. I didn't, but I do have a little bit of powder brows there, so I can use that as an outline. But just softly use it like hair strokes. And I don't really go in this area over here because that's kind of where I just use the e.l.f. Wow Brow. So I primarily focus on like outlining my eyebrows with this color. Again, use the color that's closest to your natural hair color. I have very dark hair. I have very dark eyebrows. And in the summertime, I do switch it up and I use a little bit of brown and a little bit of black just to kind of soften it up instead of it just being black. And this is the outcome. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.